Hey everybody and welcome back. In this video, we'll guide you through how to organize multiple Google Chrome tabs. This is a hidden feature that not much of the people use, and I'm going to be telling you in detail how exactly you can use it. So here, as you can see on top, I have literally a ton of tabs open up and I want to simply group them, and it is really getting messy around here. So you can see if I click onto this very first option or the tab group which says case study tab, you can see it just closed a couple of tabs, and those tabs are basically inside this group. So you can see if I click on it, it opens up. You can see this white line simply stretching along the group and the amount of tabs that are basically within that group. So you can see you can easily group them, and to do that you simply need to press and hold control onto your keyboard. Once you do that, you can see you need to select the number of tabs. Let's just say I want to add these 4 tabs into my new group. So let's just call this new group sample group. I'm going to be right clicking onto the last tab, and then you can see we have add tab to group and simply create a new group. So I'm going to be naming this sample group, just like that. You can even choose a color. So you can see I have a bunch of colors to choose from. The yellow looks pretty good for me, and you can see the tab group is now changed to that yellow color, and we can also see the highlight till where the group is basically composing those different tabs. So you can see 4 tabs inside our new sample group, and that's how easily you can organize multiple group and tabs